At BioLife Solutions, we are dedicated to developing and supplying bioproduction tools that support your manufacturing, storage, shipping, and thawing workflows. We understand that maintaining biologic stability from factory to the bedside is critical for therapeutic and commercial success. This is why we developed the ThawSTAR CB Cryo Bag thawing system. ThawSTAR CB is a safe, automated tool that provides a reproducible method for thawing temperature-sensitive, cryopreserved biomaterials. There are inherent problems with existing thawing methods. Exposing your valuable therapy to non-optimized products can negatively impact viability, scalability, and sterility. ThawSTAR CB is a simple system that is scalable as your volume and number of applications increase. ThawSTAR CB minimizes the risk of contamination, avoids operator error from over and/or under thawing, and ensures standard thawing every time. ThawSTAR CB offers a number of pre-configured industry-standard thaw protocols based on cryobag options. BioLife technicians can also program a custom thaw protocol for the ThawSTAR CB specific to your application. For protection against leakage and contamination, a barrier bag encloses the cryobag during the thawing process. To begin the thaw process, the barrier bag with cryobag is placed into the drawer lining up against the 3 registration holes. These registration holes correctly position the cryobag within the instrument. Follow the simple instructions on the ThawSTAR CB display to start thawing. Patented heating technology and sophisticated sensors manage heat application and record bag temperature in real time to optimize individual bag thawing. A typical thaw takes approximately 2 to 8 minutes, depending on the cryobag size and cryopreservation conditions. Retrieving the cryobag from the ThawSTAR CB system is simple. Sensors detect when the thaw is completed and the drawer will automatically open. The cryobag is then removed from the drawer. For standard thaw protocols, the biologic material will still be cold with some ice crystals visible. The thaw settings and sensor temperature data is stored in a transferable data file. The ThawSTAR CB can be used for thawing starting material, thawing manufactured cell and gene therapies used in clinical trials, thawing commercially approved cell and gene therapies. To find out more, visit biolifesolutions.com/ThawSTAR.